give you stars in the moon, soul to guide you. I promise I'll never go. I'll give you hope to bring out all the life inside you, the strength that will help you grow. I'll give you truth and a future that's 20 times better than any Hollywood plot. And I thought, you know, I'd rather have a yacht. He left a wife and kid in Portland on a plane. I met a man inspiring, passion always showed, and asked if I could spare a week to ride with him. Now I was sure all I ever wanted was a life that was scripted and planned. And he said, but you don't understand. I'll give you stars in the moon, an open highway, a river beneath your feet. Days full of dreams, you travel my way, a summer you can't repeat. I'll give you nights full of passion, days of adventure, no strings, just warm summer rain. And I thought, you know, I'd rather have champagne. I met a man who had a fortune in the bank. He had retired at age 30, set for life. I met a man and didn't know which stars to thank. And then he asked one day if I would be his wife. Well,